I didn't know that. Did you guys know that? That they pop out? Watch this. This is so cool. Then you can take them to the sink. All right, look, so now, look. These freaking things come apart! But you can clean them in your sink. That's amazing! But I woke up this morning and my ADHD is kicking in so bad, I'm freaking out. So I just figured something out and I want to show you guys this. So when I come into the laundry room, because I needed to wash some clothes, which I haven't washed clothes in years because my wife is awesome and she takes care of everything. But let me show you this. So I pulled this out and I'm like, oh, wow, okay. So that probably needs to be cleaned. And I come in here to start cleaning it, right, with a napkin. And it wasn't working. And then our other washer is kind of the same way, right? So, and I'm sure everybody has this because it's fabric softener buildup, right? So I started freaking out, right? I was like, okay, ADHD is kicking in. I'm freaking out. So I started yanking and pulling on this thing and it pops out. So that means I can take it to the sink. This one also, look, this one also pops out. Oh, I didn't know that. Gotta love that. So good.